Are you encountering issues with offline maps not being available on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, especially when you need navigation without a data connection. The unavailability of offline maps may stem from region-based restrictions, incorrect settings, or insufficient storage. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with 100% effective solutions to resolve this issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your region settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Select Language and Region. Ensure your region is set correctly. If it's incorrect, tap on it and choose your correct region. If this option is not available in your place, try choose US or UK to see if you get it on your iPhone or not. Solution 2. Update iOS. Outdated software can cause issues with offline maps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh for maps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure Background App Refresh is toggled on for Wi-Fi and cellular data. Scroll down and make sure Apple Maps is enabled for background refresh. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of offline maps not being available on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next video.